What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in today's video I'm going to do a low light test on my Sony ZV-E1 just to see how well it actually performs in low light. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn off these lights right here. So before I do that, right now I'm recording S-log3. I'm at ISO 640. I'm at a f-stop of 2.8. I'm using the Sigma lens. So that's my setting right there. And I'm going to turn off these lights and I'm going to bump up my ISO to see how well it's actually perform. Turn off this light right now. Off. This one. Off. And that's how it look right there without any light. ISO 12,800. Now this ISO right here is what most say is the native ISO. So you can see that when I go to ISO 12,800, it actually clean up again the image right here. So you can see minimalistic noise on this right here. So let me go a bit further. And this is the furthest this can go. As you can see guys, I'm completely in a dark situation right now and you can literally see me right here onto this. So this is just a low light test on this right here, and I'm just gonna go right back to ISO 160. As you can see right there, completely dark, you're not seeing anything right here. Change it back now to 640. This is the ISO that I always use to do my in-studio videos. As I said, when you put it on 12,800, this is the base ISO in low light situation. You can see right there, minimalistic noise. And to this right here, it's not much noise. If you're in a situation like this where not much lighting and you want to have little noise as possible, you can record in this ISO right here. So as you can see guys, I'm at ISO 12,800. What if I turn on back this light right now and you can see that guys, super blown out right here. Let me turn on back this. And I'm perfect right here again. So guys, this is just my test right here in low light situation and the Sony ZV-E1. Let me know what you guys think of the footage of this right here, and yeah, let me know if this was helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.